Hi everyone, I'm Artur. Today we will talk about ABAP debug. I show how you can view, change, add data in ABAP debugger, different types objects, and how you can load data to ABAP debugger. I have test program SAP. I can go to debugging ABAP with /h or breakpoint like this. More ways how go to debugger in future. I will tell you. Go first example ABAP field, double click ABAP field. You can change on main screen like this. For example, to enter. It was local custom variable, or for example this standard, and also this SI sub C also standard, and also change. For example, change SI UNA useful when you want check how code will be work under other user. But you need to be careful with changing standard variable, especially in productive system SAP. Second example, structure ABAP. It's a reference to structure, but with structure it will be the same, like this. Structure, go to fields. After you can change fields like this. In this case also, for example, like this. It's custom structures, standard structure you can change also. Go to fields and you can change. Third example, more interesting, it will be internal table ABAP. Remove variables, choose internal table ABAP, go to rows, and we have a lot of opportunities how we can work with internal tables. Go to services of the tool. You can add row or insert row if this is sort table. I have standard table because I create inline. Choose add rows, use template. I choose, for example, first row, okay, and change something, for example, only this, okay. Next, you can change rows. Let's select the necessary rows, services and tools, change selected rows, change something, enter, done. And also we can delete all rows or range with button delete tables or rows area. For example, I delete 2 rows since first, second, last. This, yes, deleted. And bonus for you, because you watch long time, you can save all rows in file. For this you can use save in file, column view, all entities, this format, continue, save. Don't work successfully. I will show you file, this file, and also you can load this data back. Before load I clean table, but if you do it in loop. If you, for example, now in this place, you will get dump, but you have option, right click, go to statement, execute. Okay, go to table, services of the tool, delete. Okay, this load useful when you need a lot of iteration with changing one table again and again in ABAP debugger. Go to settings, upload from file, yes, our file, and check results. Rows the same like in file. Also, we have good option save internal table ABAP in Excel file. It will be useful if you want check duplicates in big table, or you need to send rows for check to customer, for example. Go to tools, save in file, column view, spreadsheet, save successfully this file in result. And fourth example, attributes in classes. We have this class, my test class, double click, go to class, and how you can see, you can change variable like this, or structure like this, or internal table ABAP, all the same. Write questions and additions in comments, like and subscribe, and we'll wait new ABAP video about ABAP debugger. Bye.